Hello, I was afraid I would leave something out, and inevitably I did leave this out. One thing that I would add to this is when you are taking pictures with the Lomograflock and the film ejects, it wants to curl towards the camera, and as you can see right here, the viewfinder is very much in the way of that. Okay, so if you don't want the camera, if you don't want the film to bunch up underneath the viewfinder and just crush in there and you have to draw it out by hand, if you don't want that to happen, then you will take a spent image like this one that I wrote on here. Take a spent image and you just kind of cross it over the front of the viewfinder like that, in line with the picture, where the picture ejects, but to that side of it, to the back side of it. And then when you hit the eject button, it'll come up perfectly. Okay, so make sure you do that step. If you don't do that step, it will crinkle right underneath here because it's just far enough to not get past that. And if you have any kind of viewfinder gasket or something for viewing, you can go ahead and unscrew this and take that out and screw it back on.